They say Nigeria DSS, they say like say they don't enter inside the place where they call Ebony. They look for where they go see Samuel Ekpa's house. They say Samuel Ekpa, they look waiting they happen all the way from Finland for inside. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Ebony Kwezioku. I beg you, if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, what you they wait for? Or may you subscribe to this channel and also share this video. Very important. The update where they reach our hand now be say they said the PM will be someone Ekpa is monitoring the Nigeria military as they enter the territory of Biafra Liberation Army in CCTV camera all the way from Finland. No be smarty, no. We'll go ahead, go play you the video, may you watch, then before we will come back and talk more about it. Welcome back. As I've watched that video and see what is going on in Southeast as well, speaking especially in Biafra land. Regarding that video that you watched, this is a comment of Simon Ekpa. He said that this thing are waiting they happen for inside the Biafra land. He said the military, the Biafra Liberation Army camp, saying they monitor everything where they happen, and then he said the Nigeria army are trying to get in, but the Biafra army no let them to get inside that place, and this is what they happen for inside Biafra land. Say no one is talking about them, not be smart, you know. My people, I tell you, I say a lot of things is going on which we don't know. Let's go and look this update that they say that Nigeria DSS are looking for Simon Ekpa's resident in Ebonyi State. Say the zoo DSS come to the last Chief Ekpa place yesterday asking for Simon Ekpa fathers and mother and siblings. They was told that he both parents was late while he has no siblings. They left and come back again today asking for Simon Ekpa's house. Things are really happening in Southeast as we are speaking right now. Yeah, my people, let's look into this one as well. They say Nigeria army don't talk, say they don't clear IPOB camp, and let's look into the matter where they happen. It's a troop of Operation Udoka, aka cleared IPOB ESN camp, recover fresh and old currency. Troop of Joint Task Force Southeast Operation Udoka on Sunday, 1st October 2023, cleared four motorcycle camp of the indigenous people of Biafra and 8 armed afflicted. Let's see what Simon Ekpa respond to this. He said, disregard the lie of the terrorist organization called Nigeria Army. There is nothing like ESN camp. What we have in Okigwe is Biafra Liberation Army camp, and they are well sophisticated and armed just like them. They are displaying image of old money and a motorbike, and something look like a cement shop. You can't get close to Biafra Liberation Army camp, not to talk of burning anything. You keep saying IPOBSN. The army that have been neutralizing are called themselves Biafra Liberation Army, but you are denying, avoiding mentioning this name. Things are really happening. This is a response of PM will be Simon Ekpa, Biafra government in exile, regarding this information. There is another one that I see that they say that Nigeria troop in Anambra key for IPOB member. I don't know where they are killing all this thing they are killing. Why IPOB have made it clear that there's nothing like that happened. I don't know which one are going to take this time around. Things are really happening, but as you can see in this particular video that will show you, they are monitoring them. They are coming in and they are coming out. So that means if there is bomb, it's easy to bomb them as well. So the Biafra, I think these guys have more technology and advance in this combat that is going on. But however, we are watching closely to be bringing you information of what is going on inside. Stay close and keep up checking on our channel for more updates. Share this video and subscribe to this channel.